What's up, guys? Hi and hello, friends, family, everyone who is watching right now or will be watching this in aftermath. So let's just check again if everything is working so we can start with the stream. Also have to check with which microphone I'm connected. So it's the right one, this one. It's the right one this time. Man, today I'm not that confused, not that mixed up. Like, I'm totally fine today. Let's see how this will end if we are in the charts. But first, I have to choose the stream and then all yours. All right. There we go. Should it work like this and like that? Where is it? There we go. Yo, I get a same problem like the last time, like somehow it's not really working. Let's see how this is going. I don't know, why isn't it showing me that? Yeah, it's okay. It's going. Like it's working. Everything is fine. So let's not waste time and go directly into the charts, right? Let's begin first with the 15-minute one. Oh, hell no, that's the wrong one. There we go. This one we drag over here, and then we log out of this one, and we want to be logged in at the 1-minute chart because there will be our executions, right? All right, this time we got the password right. Yes. Okay, all right, let's go. What is the 15-minute chart doing? Like you see it here. Yesterday, by the way, it happened yesterday happened exactly what I told it would. Like it came to the buy side, then it retraced and closed back above again. Like I said, I'm bearish to the buy side, like down to the buy side. And as soon as it's hitting this and closing this gap, it will be retraced higher again. Um, it wasn't showing the willingness in the AM session because the AM session was just consolidating. We will look in the 15-minute chart when it decided to go back up. Yeah, well, it was like in the PM session, right? You see it here from 3, let's say 2 to 3 p.m. It made the retracement, but still it hasn't took the buy side, which was my target, right? Yesterday we was just call consolidating. And yeah, anyway, anyhow, let's move on. We got still this gap here. I will see how price is reacting to the opening. Like if we take out the buy side up here, where's my magnet here? If we take out this buy side with the opening, then strongly suggesting that a short will appear. And if we make like first the leg down and take out any sell side, I'm willing to look for higher prices, but yeah, it's all depending on the price action and how price is moving. I will let this be here and just write buy side and make it yellow. All right, okay. Oh man, I don't like it when it's down below, so let's switch it to the upside. All right. So 4 hour and there we go. Let's keep this here. 4 hour and 1 hour is not that much of action. Like we're here down under the volume imbalance. Still, we can keep above it. So if we close above it and price isn't showing any willingness to close below and to go lower, then we really think about going lower. But I mean, it's like 40 minutes, yeah, 38 minutes until this level is closing. So we got a bit left to go, right? You see here in the 1 hour chart, the closing of the fair value gap here and a nice reaction closing closing above the midpoint. And yeah, right now we're in this candle looking what it's willing to show us. And now to my favorite pattern, not pattern, but my favorite time frame, time zone, and everything. Like it's in alignment right now. We got my favorite time zone, which is AM session. Favorite time frame. I love the 15-minute time frame for analyzing the chart. And yeah, so basically we are here and you already see it. Like the buy side is still a huge thing for me because we got we haven't took out the London range, we haven't took out the Asian range, we haven't took out the buy side, which I talked about yesterday. There are two options right now. Price will be so heavy that it's just going down and crashing out without even taking out any of the buy side, which I don't think it will do. I think it will at least take out the London range, dip into the buy side and gives me my pattern to go lower. But to be all honest, I would love to see it going down to the last day low, taking this out, maybe taking these lows out as well, then turning and going higher to take out these highs. I would love to see that. Why? Because if we take out these highs with a wick, I would be calmer and more confident in taking a short the next days. Like in general, I think we will see lower prices, but to me, it doesn't seem like it will be today. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. It's still before opening, so maybe it's not right, but we will see. Let's let's see how price is reacting at our opening. So let's take the 1 minute here. I think I haven't, yeah, I have marked the real-time fair value gap from yesterday. Let's just delete these levels. They're not really of a huge interest for me, but these are, it's like the London range, which is around here. Like the length will be not correct right now, but that's something I don't want to care right now about because let's make it correct. It's still in my window. Mhm. We got the low on 195.5. Is this true? Chat, is this true? No, it's not. It's here. Why? Because we're at, this can't be even true because the London range isn't until 7, it's just until 5. So I'm confused. London session is about 2 to 5, right? Yeah, it is. It is. It's not until 7, it's 2 to 5. There we go. The high remains still the same, but the low is different. Do we even need the low? Not really, but anyway, let's use it. Let's have it on the charts. It's not bad to have it, right? So this is 2, this is the one we're looking for, and 2 is still right. So let's correct this one as well to 5, and this one to 5. That was correct. Okay, then we're here. Like, I don't want to put in the Asian session or the Asian range. Why? Because it's the same level, like, come on. It's the same level like our last day high is. So we can just remember that. And what's also important right now is our opening range gap. There we go, but this is the wrong level. Let me see, because the mini and the micro isn't trading on the same prices, I guess. So there are some times where micro and mini have different levels, like they're on the same or quite the same chart and have the same price action, but they're on different levels to a few points or a few ticks. And that's very annoying because you miss some levels with this difference. So let's see, where is our, this is way back here. Right. So it would be this here. There we go. All right, so let's see, we got 2 minutes left until the opening. And hands are hot, like we want to take a trade today. Would be great if price would give us. I would really like to see, I would really like to see it go above. How much is this? That's only 100 points. Not 100 points just as an opening leg. It's a bit much though. But anything would be much right now because even the last day low is it this level? Not exactly. It's more like it's this level because it has changed, right? Yeah, it's this level. So basically would be the same. Both levels would be around 100 points, so it's in between those two. And I don't know if I really would take a short, like if it would reach 100 points at the opening range higher. I'm not sure if I would look for a short because yeah, 100 points for an opening range, it's pretty much not for an opening range, but for the opening move. Anyway, let's see. Right now we're from the opening range gap like 20 points away, which is okay, but not that not that much of that much in terms of points. Anyway, we got 6 seconds left. Let's see what price is doing, where we can enter. There we go. Here it is. Let's make this a bit wider. Okay, so we're on the half point right now, and today are not no news at all. And Trump was speaking, like I think it was 12 hours ago, if I'm right. So everything should be okay right now to make a to have a good price action. and not something weird like the other days. So price has gone through the opening range. Usually it's searching for lower prices, but right now with only 20 points difference between the opening range gap settlement and the opening, like this would be now the opening range gap low. Um, I'm not giving too much to it because the range is too small. And honestly, this looks like, holy man. Whew. Still made it to mute the microphone, so it's pretty good. I think that's my move. I think that's my move, but not on my level. Like if you look on the 15-minute chart, there need to be a way. I know, man. Yeah. In future, we'll make it different. Like I can make another screen capture on all three screens and just like make them visible and invisible, and it's better for you. So I don't have to drag my charts all the time into this one screen and just use the other screens of mine. But yeah, the point I wanted to show you right now is we get this, or we had, better saying, we had this fair value gap here. It's still a fair value gap, no doubt, but we have traded to it right now, and you see it reacting there. So basically, this right now is giving me the idea where I think or what I think price will do. Also, levels like this one, like a huge step through levels usually is what I want to see in this case for higher prices. So yeah, seems to me like we just have gone down to take out the sell side. And in general, I'm still thinking we will take out the highs. Like, mm, price has too much of a downside today. Like, if you look at it, the whole, well, we had here a bit of an up move, but still, we had this down move. We have gone down here. Well, we took this buy side, but this all is still in play, right? We don't even have took the last day high, not the Asian range, Asian high, which is also this level here. We don't have took the London range high. Like we got a lot to go up there and a lot to take. There is a lot of stops up there, so I don't think price will let them be. There we go. I think this will be our first presented fair value gap here. Nice. It's within the first presented volume balance, so I can delete this one because this one has more effect on the price. And right now, so there are two kind of trades I want to take. The one thing is to wait um, for the macro, like 1050 and 950 to 1010. And the other thing is to trade the first real time hour for value gap, which is the one I marked out right now. So, for example, if I don't see a level where it has to go to for the macro, if we take now for an example, I had these 2 points of interest, but they switched from points of interest for entry to points of interest as a target. And wait a minute, this one is wrong, isn't it? This one should be here. Oh no, what have I done again? No. All right, there we go. This one is correct. I guess. I don't know. No, it isn't. Why is, oh yeah, it is, because yeah, never mind. All right, so this one is the correct opening range. I marked it wrong out because yeah, I took midnight open, but that's wrong. Anyway, anyhow, it remains the same. This is our first presented fair value gap, which means I got two patterns I would like to see normally. This is either going through last day high, last day low, last week high, last week low, like any higher time frame key level, whereas buy side or liquidity waiting to be taken, and the change of market structure, right? So if we took out a last day low, I want to see the change and going towards the last day high. So this is the one thing in my trading. If there is nothing, like right now, like these points are too far away. If they be reached, I am not really willing to immediately go into the trade because, yeah, this is not enough to me. If we move from 0 to 100 points within the first half of an hour, it's too fast making 100 points to be a high percentage of retracing again back to the other side. So right now, which is in point of interest for me is the first real-time hour for value gap from today and how price is reacting there. What do I mean by that? If I see like it's been threatened, like it's been handled like a inversion, like a small a small piece of it remains still open and price is retracing, or price touches it and just touches it, or goes into it with a pip and then retraces aggressive, that would be an entry as well for me. Like I would take the first fair value gap after it, maybe on 1 minute, maybe on 15 seconds, depending on how fast it's moving. Right now we will see that. It's the 19th of Feb. There we go. Let's make this fat and all right. And let's extend it to the right. So there we go. We touched the half point and it could, but I don't want, exactly, this is what I don't want to see, right? I don't want to see it stabbing through because this is too aggressive for me to be in a long right now. And we are still not in the macro, which means we could still take out a sell side in the macro and then go higher. So for me, I will not do anything right now. At least not for the next couple of minutes. This was this the 15-second, the first one? I think so. This is 28. Yeah, like this one was we got a nice reaction on the first presented fair value gap on 15 seconds. If you see it, like the price is still drawing outside of the lines a bit, but in general, it's still respecting it. Like I wouldn't say this is a real break because it was just like slipping down and then going immediately back higher. So to me, this looks very nice to me though. So to not get confused, let's write what this is. This is our opening range gap. Let's change the color to violet maybe so we get a bit of contrast here. There we go. Yeah, so we're trading lower, obviously. So maybe this was our fake move. And right now we aiming for the last day low or for the new contract gap low. What also would be an interesting point would be like the retest to the first retime for value gap from today, and then if we would go lower to the last day low, let me also copy this. I'm not sure if I copied it, but if not, yeah, we did. Okay. We did. So I want to see it being touched. Like I don't want to see it being rejected before, because yeah, that doesn't mean anything to me. Because I want to see a reaction on the level, not before. Like it's good and fine if it's reacting before, but it's not what I want to see. What are the other, other, what are the other indices doing anyway? I don't like it when I have to drag like one after another to see what they're doing. Do we have anything here? That looks to me so. Yeah, we got something up here. We got a divergence, like higher, lower, lower. So we got a divergence here. Means we go lower. Yeah, it looks to me that we go higher. Like this whole says that I think we go higher and take out this one first. I don't think this will go higher right now without taking this sell side or even this gap here. But again, price is not really doing like it's moving, but it's not really doing something huge, something really of interest. It's pretty boring. It's pretty much doing the same thing like yesterday. I always wonder what light is better. Is this one? This is very cold, right? I could make the lights of the room in general a bit different, but yeah, like those are the options. But somehow my camera is adjusting the colors to normal each time, so I don't really have much room to play. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That looks nice. That looks nice. Like this is a good thing here, right? Threaded into it. It's the exact same thing I said before with the vice versa. Like we were above the price, and I told you I don't want to see it close the whole gap. It could do, but I don't want to see it. I want to see it leaving a bit open. Right now it broke a low. So we're at 950. Yeah, so probably we just go lower. I consider taking a short on the real-time ortho value gap on the retest. If price is giving me something. Because yeah, I don't know. This is not a reaction I'm very willing. It's not a real reaction. Like it's nothing surprisingly big or so. It's just it's still in the range, right? So it looks like we have to wait until the 10:30 because right now I don't see anything. Price got rejected at the 15-second real-time ortho value gap here on the half of it, like on the CE. Let's see how it's reacting. Would be nice if it would like hit the 1 minute real-time ortho value gap, the blue area here, just touch it and then go below it and below this and do here the same, like touching the 1 minute here, going below this one, going high, touching it again, and then I would immediately look for a short until the new contract gap liquidity, because still still I think it will do something today. I don't know what yet, but I think it will do something. Like we touched it, but maybe this is the reaction I want to see. Let's see. Like we touched it, we had a reaction. Not really that much. Not really that much. Like I would want to see more. But yeah, let's see how it plays out. So if it's touching the 50-second right now, it gets rejected and building a, like I would like to see right now touching the 50-second, going below, or maybe could be also like, can we count this as a breaker? Yeah, like it could hit it and now go lower, like this as a breaker. already hit it. Maybe it doesn't has to go to the 50 seconds high and now take out the low, but yeah, it's not a clear of a price. It's not that clear price action. It's to me, it's more slow and high resistance, and I don't want to be part of that. I want to see something be taken out and then go lower. Yeah, VX wise, like the dollar is looking for lower prices. So the NQ normally should go up, but somehow they're not in correlation. Let's see what the ATR is. Yeah, but we don't want it on the, oh, shoot. It's like daily. 7 is enough. All right. It's disappearing again. Maybe someone can tell me why this is always disappearing. Because I don't understand it. I don't understand why. I don't know. I don't know. Are these two different ones? I think so, right? Yeah. Let's see which one gives us what we need to know. And we can trash this one. And this one is on the wrong thing anyway. Maybe it was this one. There we go. Yes. So daily range is like 351. It's at 351. Means our daily range is at 351. And for now we have like, where's our midnight open? It's here 2, 7. We got like 100 points daily range right now from the midnight open, and from the opening itself we got like, yeah, 80 points, 70 points. Oh, it's Monday 14, but this will not make a lot of difference. Maybe it will go to, I don't know, maybe a bit lower, because I think the this week is very slow. Yeah, it's like, oh, it's a bit much more than a bit lower. It's like 300 points. 300 points. So we were like at our midnight open at 270, was it right? Or yeah, 270, let's say 270 would be until 100, 170 points. So yeah, maybe we get our 11 retracement there, like take out the last day low and then retrace higher. But I wouldn't say we will take out the highs today. Like the retracement will not go three highs. Mm, let's see. Let's see. Maybe what would be nice in the macro, like 1020 to 1050 would be cool as well. What is my man? These SSDs hot. I can't believe it. This is my new heater. This is small. This is very small. It's a very cool one. It's from Samsung. Looks very nice. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy, and we just really had the option to go in. Like price showed us that it's not willing to go higher, and it was respecting the real-time order value gap. But yeah, I don't know. Nothing I really wanted to take action on. So it's, I don't know, prices. Something keeps it from really going lower. So this is a very sloppy price action. It's really not a huge move. It's not a huge move if you see compared to yesterday. The range yesterday was like, well, let's take the GAN box. Where we have it here. Like this was the whole range of yesterday, this year. So we're still in it. Like the whole day right now is an inside day of yesterday. Let's see if we take out the low, and let's see if it gives us some willingness to go higher. Like it would be pretty cool because we're still in the macro, right? So pretty nice, but it's a bit late though. Let's see. It's a nice reaction there, but not at a point where we want to see it, or at least where I want to see it. Yeah, like the Dow is pretty strong, but that means nothing. I mean, it's just a Dow, right? The S is still consolidating. It's kind of in a very weak way lower. And Q is performing on the best way of them, but it's still not a good performance. I'm sure this is driving some people nuts that these are two different colors. Fuck, come on, do something. Do something. Come on. Take the low, give me a high. It's pretty much respecting the real-time alpha value gap from the 14th of February. Come on, give me a huge candle through it. Step through it. Slice it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do, 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 do. Yeah, could be turning here. Back higher. Could be turning here back higher, making some sellers regret their decision and afterwards going lower to the last day low and maybe lower. Like, this isn't really looking like something I want to be involved. Come on, I want to see it on the last day low, taking out the sell side and then showing me the willingness to go higher, 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 higher. Man, this is not really doing much, right? Like the last day low is also the 4-hour recent low. Forex Factory, let's show what it got for us today. Yeah, we got, oh wow. We got like FOMC. It's just a minutes meeting, but still it will have a huge impact. But yeah, it's in the PM session, so I don't mind. Hmm. Let's see what it does here. It closed, not even closed completely right now. Not even closed completely the fair value gap, like it left a bit. It left a bit of it open. And now we're going lower. So if it leaves this fair value gap open, I have to just adjust my chair. If it leaves the small thing, it will not. Like this will close it. Yeah, there we go. I'm not really know what I should think about this whole price action. It's kind of very slow. ES is really, really doing nothing. All right, this looks good. This looks okay. It's not really a lot of price action, but it's looking okay. Yeah, I think this will go higher now. I think I know what it will do. So I could imagine we go higher to the 1020 to 1040 macro, and then like take the low, take the last day low. In general, making people think right now it's retracing now, then making another leg down, taking out the lows, and then going higher to the last day highs, to the last day high. Could be, but we have to have a look how it's reacting on this special fair value gap here and how it will react there. Oh wow, ES is doing something. We have another fair value gap. Looking how it's reacting there, like we closed and immediately get a reaction there, but it's still trading low right now. Let's see how it's reacting on the fair value gap. 1010 10 1020 macro to 1040 1020 macro to 1040 macro is already knocking on the door. It's just 1 minute left until we get there. Like we had a pretty nice reaction on this fair value gap high, right? Just dipped in and immediately retraced. So maybe we will go higher from here. But still, we're too near right now at the last day low or the new contract open, new contract gap low to take a long here, because every time I do this, I get stopped out at the 50 to 10 macro. We dipped into this, right? No, we did not. Um, yeah, so still we're not doing anything, right? It's pretty boring. Let's see. Let's see how price is reacting. I mean, it's still holding the line here. It's not closing below it. It spiked through, or it has gone through it, but respecting it right now. So yeah, let's see. Could make my move right now, taking out the last day low. That would be pretty cool if I would see that. Still nothing I'm interested to take, but let's see. This does not look good for me. Like, this isn't really something I want to be involved in. We're still respecting it, so still nothing really showing me the willingness to go lower. I still wanted to, I still wanted to go lower, not to go higher, but yeah. That's a nice candle here. Hmm. I don't like this price action at all, but still, it's still in play that at the next macro 1050 to 1110, it could take out the low and go higher. If it's doing that, I will consider taking along until the first real tomorrow fair value gap from today as a first time partial and the terminus at the opening range gap. I still think somehow it will take the highs today. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Who knows this? I do not. What is it doing? 4 hour not really doing something. 1 hour is not really doing something in our interest. 15 minute. Yeah, it has a nice leg down, but not enough for me to take something. Holy, what was that? Looked away for 1 minute and it does a hell of a candle. Maybe it's going higher right now. Maybe it does the opposite. Like maybe it takes down. Maybe it takes down. Maybe it takes out the buy side above the real time order value gap, and then it's going lower. I'll be right back. Anyway, I will not take a trade until 10:50. So I'll be back in like 1 minute. Oh, now the mute is off. There we go again. Here I am. Here I am. Came in like a hurricane. Is this how the song is going? I think so. I'm not sure. Anyway, anyhow, I'm back. I'm back and price wicked down below. Price is doing nothing right now. So it's another ping pong day, I guess. Not really doing anything, but yeah, I will wait again until to the 11, no, 10:50 to 11:10 macro. And if it's not doing anything, then I will cut the stream. Cut it. But yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. The S really made a huge thing higher, right? So if we compare this one, this is looking pretty nice. Like this is looking for lower prices here. That's cool. That's cool. It's still in play that I still think that we will go stabbing through the low and then going back higher. So my narrative or the narrative I want to see is still there. Could still play, could still outplay. I would love to see the 1050 macro ripping the low. Hmm. The price is not really doing something, so I don't know. I'm just it's pretty quiet, so I'm just looking into the charts, right, and not really doing a lot. But yeah, let's take the lag it made from the opening or after the manipulation lag, right? Like this one here. And here we're above the CE of this one and of the whole leg. How's that looking? There. You have the whole leg like from the pre-opening. Yeah, we currently trading in that range of the equilibrium. Hmm. So let's see how it's going, but I don't think it will do anything, right? I think it will just, I think it will just ping pong round and round the whole AM. I don't really think it will do very, something special today. I think it will take out the highs and Yeah, maybe the macro will be going to the opening range gap and taking out this high and then going lower. Or just trading inside the range. This could be also possible. Even the 4 hour is looking very, very boring. Like there's nothing really insightful for me. As I said, I think it will take out the highs. It will use the macro to go above or to the opening range gap high. It's the high now because I was wrong. To the opening range gap high. And yeah, somewhere here like failing at the level of the 18th. Right now we're on the first fair value gap from today. This is making the path right now how it's going further through the day. So also we are in the 15-second fair value gap here. So looks like it's gonna be rejected here again. What are the other openings anyway? So let's see, we got the 9:30. Where is my 8:30? It's here, this one right now. It's this one here. It's also on this 9:30. 9:30 is this one. Okay, they're pretty close to each other, like. I see. 2.5 minutes left until to the macro. Yeah, so as I said, I think it will use um, the macro to take out these highs, and maybe it's being rejected here. I don't think it will make it over the new week opening gap. I don't think so. I don't think it will reach this level here, but it could reach this here and go lower from here. That would be what I want to see right now. Nothing I would take because I don't know. Oh yeah, maybe something I would take. Maybe something I would take because it's the last week high. I have not seen that one. Oh, come on, where is it right now? Let me move this, copy this, bring it back, and then bring it up here. So where is it? It's at 22,225. Oh man, no, I grabbed the wrong one. There we go. Yeah, so if it's going through this one in the macro and showing me the willingness to go lower, I will take it. I will take the short. I will take the lowest hanging fruit. Would be here as target number 1 and target number 2 or terminus would be here, I guess. Man, now I have this song in my head. Here I am, came in like a hurricane. Let's see, macro open. What will it give to us? What will it give to us? Dow is still going lower. Yes, it's doing what it's doing, right? Nothing, nothing at all. Yeah, this has gone higher, higher, but still, it's not really, I don't know, it's not really something. It's not really something phenomenal, not at all. Also, the DXY is not really looking like. Yeah, so let's see, but I don't think it will. Let's see, but I don't think it will take anything. Like it's not looking to me like it will, I don't know, it's not looking to me like it will make a displacement higher to the last week higher to the opening range gap. But if then my trade is coming. Nah, this is nothing I want to be involved in. At least not how it's looking right now. Mm. If it's not giving me something until 11:10, I will close the stream at 11:30. Oh man, I'm moaning a lot today. I don't know why. Yeah, like this could be my divergence now, right? If it goes lower, ES will still remain in its place and just trade sideways, I guess. Hmm. See it coming back to the consolidation. It's the 15-second, right? Yeah. Yeah, like 5 minute isn't showing me anyway either. It's the 50% here from the retracement we made higher. Yeah, would have been a pretty nice short, but it hasn't gave us any entry or not even triggered our point of interest, right? So it just collapsed before it even took out the highs. But maybe you don't need to take out the highs because we took it out here. Like we took this buy side out here. We took this buy side out here. We took this buy side out here. This we took out here. Yeah, maybe this one is in place. This one is still in place. We got a few still in the game, but nothing really spectacular. So it could also be that we go lower, but still my idea remains the same that we take the highs sooner or later. But high probability that it takes them today. Let's see. Oh, why do I have this one here? So taking out the highs would be the range from day to low, like 201 point would be in the daily range. So yeah, I believe we will take them out. But let's see. I'm tired today. I don't know. I don't sleep well the last days. Also, I don't sleep a lot. Anyway, anyhow, I I don't know. I really try to know what he's doing there, but I don't come to any conclusion. Interesting. EQ is going higher, and the DXY just goes with it along. Hmm. Not really interesting for me, though, 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 though. Yeah, I think that's it. Like it will make either it's closing this fair value gap or it goes down right now. But I don't believe that it will. Give me a second. I have to check. This one first. No, I don't think we will go above my level again to shoot down. Like either we change completely the way and we go bullish, or the other way around, we just close it like we did it now, and we go below the last low. But it could also surprise me, and I just have to go in a different seating position to be more comfortable. um, yeah, I don't think we will take the highs to go lower. Because if you look at 15 minutes, like this is on the one hand, this is a really nice price action. Could we start it even from here? No, but we can start it from here 100%. Here and here. This is looking crazy, right? This is a very nice buy set. So we will take it 100%. But the question is, when will we take it, right? Like when will be the point where we will take it? I don't know. It's a pretty nice action right now on the 1 minute. Maybe it could close above this. But if so, I really have no idea what it's going to do. Like, if it takes out this high right now with this move here. I don't know if we go like higher or not. But these are bad conditions. Like either way, short here, boom, violated. Long here, boom, violated. I don't know. It's like low, low, higher. No, that's not a higher, higher. That's pretty okay. Like this move here is pretty okay. But here again, it's like high, low, higher, high, lower, low. We just take out one after another and making punches and roundhouse kicks and smashing everyone just around and around. It's crazy. So I'm very certain about it that there will be no trade for me today again. I don't know. Am I just a pussy or are the market conditions not that good? I mean, last week I missed sometimes. Like I saw something, but I haven't catched it. But I don't know. Since here, let's say Sunday, right? This whole week is just in one area. So let's see what news are this week. Tomorrow we got unemployment claims. That's nice. That's very cool. That's really cool. And after it, we don't have anything until like at the pre-opening at 8:30, we got unemployment claims and Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and then we have just 3.5 hours later the crude oil inventories. Tomorrow could be a nice day. Tomorrow could be really nice. Maybe I hope we will break the range tomorrow. And yeah, on the 21st, which would be Friday, there is PMI. Friday is a lot. Like Friday we got um well we got flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI, existing home sales, revised UAM consumer sentiment at 10, like 9:30 will be retail sale. No, give me a second. 9:30 we got nothing on the 21st of February, just at 9:45. Yes, and then it's weekend again. It is what it is, isn't it? It is. Yeah, like with respecting this range. What was this again? This was the first return of a leg up. Yeah, it's just covered by the. So we got rejected, or the price has been rejected on the first return hour for value gap level. There is not really any action today. I think would be worth it. Holy, what happened? What happened? Is our mind? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So this could be, come on, step to the last week high. No, 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 come on, come on. So good being bad. All right. Come on. Give me a step through the last week high. Give me a step through it. Step through it. Step through it. Give me a move through it. Come on, a bit more. Give me just a few more, man. I don't hope it will capitulate here. I really hope I will see another, just a fucking wick above this. Man, come on. That would be so cool if I would have an entry right now. So, what will price do? Would be nice to see it going above the last week high and capitulating. That looks nice. I don't like it when they go in tandem. Oh, that's done. Like it's not done. It's still with Dow, but That's not so much to me. It's not. It's not meaning so much to me. That was what I wanted to say. This one hasn't took the buy side neither. I would like to take a short only if it breaks through the last week high. Otherwise, it can go down below without me because yeah, I'm not interested in um, FOMOing in. Hmm. Mhm. Like we got a nice reaction on our um there we go. This one does it do. We had the reaction, yeah. We had a nice reaction. Oh, we don't even reached it. I thought we had a nice reaction on our 9:30 opening, but we hadn't. Let me make this. This one is 8:30. Actually, I don't mark them out, but right now, because I thought there is a reaction on the 9:30, which was not. I decided to mark them out. Hmm. I don't know. I don't really like this. I don't really like how this is acting. I don't like it. Like it's dancing around right now again on the 9:30 open. But you kind of see it like everything is just dancing around. It's not doing pretty much anyway. It's very interesting. It's pretty interesting because we just don't really do anything, right? Hmm. That's funny because we're within the range of the 9:30 opening and the opening range gap. Like this is the same range we started at. It's that's really crazy. I mean, dancing there around, but not really doing anything with it. Even with my idea that we will take out the last day low, and even if it would have gone there, or even with this right now as a resistance level, right? So first of all, it hasn't took out something I wanted to see be taken out. This one, um, and also I had no entry. Like basically, I had no entry, not at all. Markets are really quiet today. Like everything. It's can take a look at the heat map. Like it's really see most of them are gray or just a light red. but or a dark red, but yeah, not really something intense. Hmm. Apple and Nvidia are pretty neutral. Yeah, and we are still trading inside a range, not doing anything. Yeah, so yes or no. um, I'm very okay with not taking any trade today. I will not take any trade today. Like even in the next few minutes, I'm still on stream. I will not take anything. Like I will stick with just looking at the price and watching what it will do. I would like to see it still taking the last week high and going lower, but yeah, as soon as we entering the um, lunchtime, I'm not even interested anymore at looking at it, right? Like at 12, I will not just have the stream closed, I will also go away from the monitors for, I don't know, 1 hour, half an hour, grab something to eat maybe, and come back at 1:30 because yeah, I think 2:30 we got FOMC if I'm not wrong. Should be 3 hours from now. I think it's 2:30, and yeah, I will look what impact that will have on the price, but before that, I'm not really interested in doing anything. So yeah, price is still just dealing in the range. It's not really doing anything, right? Not really something anybody should do anything in this price action. What is ES doing? I'm pretty sure it's just dealing sideways. Oh no, has done a. Yeah, that's the up move from earlier. Like we're on 15 minutes. Yeah, it's just moving sideways. It's not doing anything different than the NQ. What is doing the DXY? Hmm. Now we're going low, 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 low. Apple bottom team. Man, this price action is driving me nuts. So I will close the stream. Um, I don't see any value in staying longer in this. So I will close the stream right now. It was nice, guys. Thank you very much for joining, and I will see you tomorrow at 9:50. So have a nice day, and I'll see you.